Okay. You told Jordan to use the whole saw.
I am fucking using the whole saw.
But just a bit at a time.
I think we'd fail to get if we've got the angles on like that. It's like the gob
The
cutting. So
angles are really fucked up. There's like 6 different grooves in here.
Just go for the deepest one. What?
Oh.
That's what she said.
Give it a little
Apparently
push.
you knew that was coming.
No?
No.
Is it not bad?
instead of cutting it like that, just start cutting it there. Going through. Swap the saw and start cutting from that angle.
The old stealth
Yeah.
bumming.
And when it starts moving, just pull it straight out.
It's still wobbling on the roots, bro. It's nowhere near cut through.
I don't think, yeah.
No, like start cutting there.
No, I don't
To
think
give it a
it's a
bigger
good
angle.
I don't think it's a good
Gives you
idea.
something to lean on, eh, old man?
Trust me.
I'm trusting you, Jordan.
Yeah, I did do this for 12 months, cutting down trees.
12 months.
Yeah.
What's for 12 months?
Crushing the log.
What, you want me to cut it here?
Cutting it
When I'm
because of
underneath?
these. Yeah.
When it starts pinching, just run.
Ah, alright then, why not? It's the worst that could happen.
Anytime.
Shut
Anytime.
up.
Yeah, it's not that heavy.
Alright, Sammy? She's still mad at me.
Jesus.
Why? What have you done to Sammy?
I didn't do anything to Sammy, I just told everyone about the dream.
Oh, what about her? I like that you said, oh, it's a number 2 dream. Does this go a bit further?
Go on now, give it some welling and then let us slip in at the end. What now? You went to
Later.
bingo time.
Nigel, your bum is in my face.
That's what she
Have a bum
We're on a roll.
I'm trying to help.
Okay.
So sometimes, there's no game without pain.
Pain.
The only pain you're going to endure today.
That's good to know.
It's just not going anywhere.
Can we have a...
Yeah, get it. Somebody get it. Fresh arm.
Can I still have the morning,
The
the morning glory?
limelight.
The end glory.
The line.
I don't want the morning glory.
Can you
Let's hope it doesn't take that long. I just want to finish it off.
Yeah, you and me both.
Ed, you're terrible! Stop it!
You're not on the phone, Dale, are you?
Dale, are you on the phone?
Yeah, he is.
Basically, what is it?
Basically,
Yeah, if it starts coming your way.
It's going to grab hold of me around the throat. Probably going with it. Yeah. It's promised. It was our job, but somebody got to do it.
how's it going?
Is that cut lower than the prospect?
No, it's like I'm in line with it, but
How far have we got to get?
not very far.
Right.
Just bring it round and we'll just push it in like whichever direction. But I still want the
The limelight?
yeah.
He wants the vinegar stroke.
Oh what?
Don't use that expression.
Well, it's going to go soon, isn't it?
Here we go.
Oh, stop! Don't let me finish!
Yeah, I've had that as well.
Calm
Go
down.
on. Not yet, not yet. I'm not ready, I'm not ready.
Gross.
That's fucking trouble is going. If we,
Right,
if we give it a good push, it'll fall over.
Okay, move,
yeah.
move. No, Jordan, no, move.
Yeah.
No, I'm leaning on those gloves. Oh no, those are my leaning gloves.
When it starts to go, mate, just
Do
back
one.
away. Yeah,
Yeah.
do one.
Oh no, can you do any video, Joe?
Oh, okay.